got hamburger dance. I heard that old jukebox playing a song called The Truck Driving Man. The waitress said, "Brian needs some coffee." I thanked her but called her again. You know that old song sure does fit me, 'cause I'm a truck driving man. So pour me another cup of coffee, for it's the best in the land. And I put another nickel in the jukebox, it played the truck driving man. And then like a flash I was gone. I got my wheels a-rolling, I'm on my way to San Antonio. When I get my car up to glory, and then take me away from this land, I'll herd my old truck up to heaven, 'cause I'm a truck driving man. So pour me another cup of coffee, for it's the best in the land. And I put another nickel in a jukebox and play the truck driving man.